For the first time in our lives ever, we're going on a yacht for a week. We're going on the Navigator Premier Plus tour with Sail Croatia, and I'm just beyond excited. Check this beauty out.
Okay, so we've just put our bags on board and it looks amazing. Like it just looks sick. The age group for this boat is between 18 and 35. We've met a few people already. They're all around about 30 years old. We're kind of like just under the 35.
Where? You?
Okay, I'm just
full on in the 30s.
Okay, you're still 30. I'm just can make it onto this boat.
Oh, but by the way, it's my birthday on
the boat, so I've got to like surprise her with something which I haven't done yet.
No, babe, this is good enough, babe.
So anyway, this is our boat for the next 7 days. We're going to go around all of the Croatian islands here. We can't wait to take you guys with us. We might split this vlog up into a couple of vlogs because I know there's so much to do and see.
Yeah. Guys,
smash the subscribe button if you're liking it already. Give us a thumbs up and let's get moving. Okay, we are literally, how do you say it? Docking? No, not docking.
Pulling off.
Pulling off. We are literally pulling out of the port.
I don't know if that's
maybe there's like a technical word. I know like docking, but yeah, anyway.
Yeah.
It's actually like
raining
and there's like a storm coming. So not the best weather start.
But it's warm.
But it's warm and the people are awesome. The crew have been amazing already. It could rain all week and it would still be epic because it's like a 5-star hotel but on water. Anyway, it's raining. There's water on the camera lens, so we're gonna go inside. Okay, we are about to enter our cabin for the week. Our bags have been put inside already and we're now gonna go inside.
Are we ready?
Let's go.
I'm so excited. Oh my god. I'm sorry, I just don't know what to say. Are we on a boat? Are we in like a 5-star hotel?
This is amazing.
Oh my god, we even got like those proper windows. Actually could do like a workout, like full on yoga session here.
So we've got double beds?
Yeah.
Oh my god, look at the lights. Star lights.
Oh my god.
That's sick.
Got full blown TV.
Full blown TV.
We've got edit corner for you, babe.
Brilliant.
But like, check these out.
That's sick.
That's so cool.
And then obviously we've got a bathroom.
We've got ensuite.
Show us the bathroom.
But sorry, we're on the boat, we have our ensuite.
And air conditioning.
Yeah, the temperature is insane here. Okay, are we ready?
Let's go.
Nah, come on now.
Oh, okay, this bathroom is probably bigger than my bathroom at home. Look at this.
It's insane, like all the marble tiles.
Got loads of towels, got a full on shower.
And like the room, babe.
You got a hairdryer. This is sick. Even got toilet roll. I can't believe we're on a cruise ship right now. It's not even a cruise ship, it's a small yacht that holds about 30 to 40 people.
Welcome to the top deck. We will show you around the whole boat as the vlog goes on, but we had to show you this. Like, check out how chill of a vibe this area is. You can lay out, we have a jacuzzi.
Show me the jacuzzi, babe.
Okay, follow me.
This is a jacuzzi.
I feel, oh my god, look at the jacuzzi.
Ooh,
it's perfect.
That is going to be epic.
Yeah.
I can imagine the sun going down, cheeky little wine, everyone in the jacuzzi.
Oh my god, babe, I'm
so
already excited. Birthday week officially kicking off.
Started now.
Yes.
Okay, we've just had our opening speech. The crew have told us all the do's and don'ts on board. And you can see the people in the background. There's about 35 of us, all about our same age, a little bit younger. It looks like it's going to be like a cool little family on board.
Yeah.
We've got 7 days. We're about to have lunch. Mate, I'm just already loving it. I think it's going to be very interesting to see what happens on board. How crazy is that door?
Oh my god, that's the scariest thing!
Take a look outside. Guys, this is our window. As you can see, it's pretty stormy outside. How cool is that? And babe, I must say, I love your outfit. You look like a pure captain.
Thank you!
Maybe we should go to the bridge.
What bridge? Oh, to the captain's bridge.
To the captain's bridge.
Aye, aye, captain.
Because we're here for 7 days, we're gonna literally pack our whole bags out, put them in a wardrobe, and feel like at home. Ready to do it?
Are you really gonna do it?
Yes, do it. Okay guys, we have just arrived at our first stop, which is Marten, I think, and the storm is still brewing. I don't know if you can see behind me, the sky is not opening up, there's thunder and lightning, it's pretty crazy. But look at the background right now, it is amazing. This is our first stop. Wow, wow, wow. Guys, I don't know if you can see, but these clouds are like spinning around and it almost looks like it's going to be a tornado.
It's great! Tornado and a thunderstorm.
These clouds are just swirling around. There's going to be some epic footage right now. Turns out we've actually come back out of the harbour because literally this is like a tornado happening, and there's another one there. So I think we're safer out to sea than we are here right now. I didn't expect this on the first day, but it's pretty epic.
So you know how Graeme was just like in this pretty town? That's right there.
It's like disappears.
Not that you can see it, we're like in the middle of this tornado and this perfect storm. But there's light at the end of the tunnel. Check it out. It's clear enough. There's hope. There's hope. Gosh, I was only having a little beauty sleep and I wake up to this. Leaving for 1 minute.
Okay, literally that's been 5 minutes and you can now see the port. How cool is that?
It's been crazy to watch. To be honest, I kind of like digging it.
Yeah, it's like really cool experience. I'm glad we had it today.
Yeah, I'll give up one day of like sunbathing and playing in the sea.
Yeah,
like this.
Totally.
So cool.
Pure experience. And the guys just said this is the first time this summer that they've had some sort of storm like this. So yeah. I'll take it.
Totally. Can I show one thing?
Show us one thing.
So they had to put a buoy up on the deck just to show you how big this boat is.
That is a big ass boy.
Look at my body compared to the buoy.
Awesome.
So we moored. Is that the right word?
That's the right word.
Yeah, we moored and we're going out in town for dinner. I can't wait. But first we need to get to shore.
Babe, I don't dare.
Come on, baby.
Okay, so our first stop is a place called Makaska. I think I'm saying it right. And we're gonna go and explore in the town. We're here for tonight and then we're leaving at 7:30 in the morning. So I'm not sure how much we can show of this place because it's now dark. But yeah, let's check it out.
Okay, we're outside the pirate shop. Now, the reason why people get sent here from our yacht is because we're going to a club tonight in a cave called Club Deep. Now, everyone dresses up like captains and pirates. But sorry, what are the odds that we're dressed this way already? Literally yesterday, I spotted this hat and we bought it. So we're actually here with all the peeps from our boat. There's a couple of other boats, I bet, but most of it is our crew. Yeah, everyone's getting ready for tonight. Like, we're doing our own thing for dinner and people are stocking up for tonight, and then we're gonna hit it hard on the first night. Says the lightweight who has one shot and it's on the table.
These are people from our boat. Say hello, guys.
We're just strolling around and check out how authentic and cute this shop is. So cute. Oh no, check this out. Oh, the smell, the smell. Let me introduce our friend Sandra, who we just bumped into town, and she's got the intel from the locals, 3 locals in fact, right? Told us get to this place. So we're gonna experience some good food recommended by the locals. Table's ready. Oh, it looks good.
Ladies, the cameraman.
First cheers of the holiday, and to our 3rd cameraman who's behind us right now.
Sandra.
We don't really have this, do we normally?
This luxury we don't have.
Thank you, Sandra. Always look each other in the eyes, guys. It's very rude if you don't.
Okay, so the guys behind us had like a huge table full of like lovely fish, seafood, all sorts of stuff. We just had a chat and they said, get the fish platter, like it looks epic. So we're gonna share it with the 3 of us. I'm quite excited.
Oh yeah.
Not gonna lie.
For the 3 of you.
We've just been served and this plate is insane. Check this out. We've got prawns, we've got calamari, we've got sea bass, we've got langoustines, grilled vegetables, potatoes and mussels.
Amazing, can't wait to dig in.
Ready for that?
Yes! I don't know if you can hear me, but we're in the club deep. And this is what is known to be the rave cave. Literally a club. I'm standing on the beach and the club is inside a cave. How cool! The beach is right behind us. You can literally just go and take a dip right now. Our boat's literally over there. No taxis, no nothing. We can just walk right home. And the night, the temperature, you know, that's like holiday feeling. Oh, it's just lovely. Woo! Good morning. We had a good night's sleep on the romantic start and now it's breakfast time. So on this trip we get breakfast and lunch. I'm already excited for lunch because yesterday's was amazing. But for breakfast we got fruits, we got eggs, we got meats, we got cheeses, yogurts, fruits, all the good stuff. So we're going to tuck in and then we'll get a brief on where we're headed today.
Okay, so this morning at 7:30 we left Makaska. The weather is still not that great, but it's still really cool on the boat. We're loving every minute of it. I tried to get some drone shots this morning, but it just wasn't really happening. I don't know what was happening, maybe the storm. Anyway, how's breakfast?
I haven't started yet, but tea is good.
Loving it. And today we've already set sail and we're off to Orkilla. I think that's how you spell it. So really intrigued. Almost 24 hours into the yacht and I'm loving it already.
You love a yacht life?
I'm loving yacht life. I think I'm going to buy one.